The Sucky car refrigerator delivers powerful compressor cooling with dual 12/24 VDC and 110-240 VAC support, keeping food and drinks cold anywhere. Perfect for camping, travel and road trips. Car refrigerator and freezer. Description: take your road trip, camping or travel setup to the next level with the Sucky 20L/22L/35L/45L/55L car refrigerator and freezer. This versatile portable cooler uses a compressor system to chill or freeze your food and drinks, with dual power support, and multiple size options to suit your needs. Key features: compressor-based cooling, true fridge/freezer performance for camping, travel, car use. Ideal for drinks, food, frozen goods or perishables on the go. Designed for convenience and mobility. Suited for car travel, vans, camping, picnics.